Welcome back to English Ninja, the channel that slices English lessons to pieces like it's just a piece of cake. Today let's talk about genres of viewing. But before that, let's do a quick exercise and let's figure out what you already know about the lesson. Instructions are simple. All you have to do is watch the following video clips and identify the type of viewing that is presented in each example. Your choices: weather report, news flash, movie trailer, internet-based program, and documentary. Oh, and if you don't know, just try to make a guess, and who knows, maybe it's your lucky day today. Try to keep up, and let's do this.
Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Chad Myers for CNN.com. A cold front pushes through Chicago, through Detroit, through Minneapolis, taking a lot of heat and humidity and the chance for showers with it.
I'm vengeance.
Whoa! This guy's crazy!
May I ask why you're headed to Lucia?
It seems like a rather personal question.
Well, I'm sorry, ma'am.
You should bathe more often. Your fingernails are filthy.
Don't regret spending time as a trainee learning how to dance, how to sing. But one thing I wish is to maybe have lived at home. 그래서 계속 기다린 게 힘들었던 것 같아요. คิดว่าตัวเองจะได้ก็คือตอนแรกก็คือถอดใจแล้วแหละ It's just like days on end with just a bunch of girls not knowing where this is going. 내가 여기서 그냥 조금의 힘듦 때문에 그만둔 게 맞나?
Breaking news from Lebanon. The capital, Beirut, has been hit by a massive explosion. Dozens of people are said to be injured, and there are some reports of people trapped under the rubble.
That wasn't so bad, wasn't it? Answers will be given as we go along with the lesson. Before we begin, let's define the word genre. What is genre? Can we eat it? No. Genre, according to the dictionary, means a category of artistic, musical, or literary composition characterized by particular style, form, or content. Other words for genre are the words sort, type, or kind. Let's use the word in a sentence like, what movie genre do you like watching? Or what music genre do you listen to? Let's replace genre with the word kind. What kind of music do you like to listen to? Or what kind of movie do you enjoy watching? So, basically, genre is a classification. Genres of viewing, or the different types of viewing. Now, let's be specific and discuss the most common genres of screen-based viewing. First up, we have news flash.
If you're just joining us, I'm covering some breaking news. You know news is breaking because I'm telling you so, and I might touch my earpiece like this. And it's also important that you read breaking news right there in the corner of the screen.
The information given in a news flash is important enough for viewers to take a short break. Like, for example, you're watching your favorite noontime show, and then it is interrupted by an important news update. A news flash is a single item of important news that is broadcast separately and often interrupts other programs.
My kids were watching this. They wanted to see what was going to happen. We're talking about 2,000 people who flooded into Nevada after a call on Facebook to storm Area 51.
Now let's try this next clip.
Right now, Derek. At least from the Carolinas right through Georgia coastline into Florida, certainly, and then also even into the Gulf of Mexico.
Is it still an example of a news flash?
You need to be on the lookout.
Could be yes, but at the same time no. This genre has its own specification. We call it a weather report. Now, a weather report is a viewing genre which is a part of an entire news program. Unlike a news flash that is just a single item of important news. Weather report updates and foretells weather conditions in a specific area. Weather forecasts are made by collecting data about the current state of the atmosphere at a given place. When you wanted to know the weather for the next day, you could watch the news program's weather report to be updated. Let's see if we could figure out the next clip.
Now, where to begin? My mother named me Enola.
Now, the video does not contain any updates about the weather. So for sure, it is not a weather report. We call this one an internet-based
It
program.
was wonderful.
Well, as the words imply, these
She was
are
my
the
whole
videos that
world.
rely or depend on the internet. With the use of phones, computers, and other gadgets, you can access internet-based programs like videos on YouTube, Netflix, HBO Go, and other programs that you enjoy watching on the internet. Let's watch this next video.
Last survivor we came across was over 2 months ago. Can you tell me anything about how you managed to keep alive while you were gone so long? Do you know of any other survivors?
You are not alone. There is hope.
What's the difference between the previous clip and this one? The other is solely dependent on the internet, while this one is an advertisement of an upcoming movie. Hence, it is called a movie trailer. A trailer is a commercial advertisement or a promotion for a feature film that will be shown in the future at the cinema. Remember that a movie trailer is always in the form of a short preview of a specific movie due for release in the near future. And let's have the final video for this lesson. Let's watch this.
We spend so much time on the hunt, but nothing ever quite does it for us. And we get so wrapped up in the hunt that it kind of makes us miserable.
When I heard about minimalism, it wasn't about just getting rid of my stuff. It was about taking control of my life and stop being told what to do and actually deciding what I wanted to do.
When I first started reducing the number of things
Right,
in my life,
my
I found
personal favorite, documentary. It is a genre that is based on facts and thorough research and is a non-fictional motion picture intended to document reality primarily for the purpose of instruction, education, or maintaining a historical tradition. So, to summarize everything that we had discussed today, a genre is all about type, sort, kind, or classification of artistic, musical, or literary composition, characterized by particular style, form, or content, and that there are different genres of viewing. First one is the news flash, which interrupts other programs to give way for an important news. Then we have weather report, which forecasts the weather. Next, internet-based programs. They rely on the internet to provide viewing pleasure. We also have movie trailer that is all about movies that will be shown in the future. And lastly, we have documentary, a well-researched film that is based on facts and could be lengthy, but personally I think that is important to give us a complete overview of a certain topic that is based on reality. Remember that the importance of identifying the genres of viewing is to guide you during your screen time. Learning this helps you analyze and understand the importance of certain programs that you may encounter while enjoying your time on the screen. And that's about everything. Once again, I will be leaving you with a quiz to see if you've learned something from us today. And we will be giving shoutouts to those who would comment their scores below, which will be shown on the next video. And of course, help us grow by subscribing to English Ninja. Click that notification bell, like and share the video. See you in the next lesson.
English Ninja.